Bitcoin and crypto are crashing now after news of a potential war breaking out in the Middle East, guys. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about what just transpired in the week leading up to the halving and some bad news, guys. So, like I said, this sometimes happens, and I was kind of prepared for a bit of a dip as we ride into the Bitcoin halving. Sometimes this happens, but I'm going to kind of walk you guys what just transpired. Crypto is down a lot. The entire market has sold off. So let's just talk about this really quickly. You guys enjoy this content, please smash the like button. So I got a lot of notifications buzzing like crazy on my phone. So I decided to kind of upload this video to give you guys kind of a warning on what's been transpiring. So the entire crypto market cap is down 8%, okay? Nearly a 10% drop in just a few hours, okay? So Bitcoin is at 63K, Ethereum's dipped below 3,000. Many of these altcoins that I was really bullish on after the halving have really sold off, okay? So that also includes Solana, okay? That sold off quite a bit. Avalanche is dumped. Internet Computer, even Litecoin, okay? Many of these coins, and especially some of these meme coins, guys. And this is one of the reasons why I haven't really made my video on meme coins yet, because I believe a lot of those meme coins that were really popular, like Pepe, okay, and Dog with Hat, all of these coins got absolutely wrecked. So I hope you guys didn't FOMO into any of those meme coins. I'm going to make a separate video on meme coins, but I really believe it's best to buy meme coins after the halving, not before. So, a lot of these meme coins is really dumped as well. Dog with the Hat's down 19%. Pepe's down 21%. Okay, so this is one of the reasons, guys, I'm so bullish on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin actually didn't sell off nearly as much as some of these other coins. Okay, Bitcoin's only down like 6%. And these altcoins have really, really gotten hit. So, like I said, guys, what took place is there was a drone attack from Iran to Israel, and now it looks like Iran is really joining this conflict. Okay, so like I said, I'm not like a big. I don't want to turn this into a politics channel, but it just looks like this tension is over boiling, and it makes sense that a lot of people are going to move into cash, when there's the potential for a breakout in any type of conflict, okay? So also I expect the stock market to take a big dump on Monday's opening, okay? The stock market should open on Monday, April 15th. I expect it to really dump. Especially a lot of these tech stocks, even some of these crypto stocks, okay? Every time Bitcoin drops, usually it's going to affect the Bitcoin holding companies like MicroStrategy, and also it's going to affect Coinbase and some of these Bitcoin mining stocks that have been bullish on. So what's really going on here, okay? Obviously, we know there's issues, and anytime there's the potential of war breaking out, we know that markets are going to dump due to fear. But I think a lot of people are excited about the Bitcoin halving. It makes sense. The Bitcoin halving is just around six days away or so. But what we're looking at is that the greed and fear index. Okay, the greed and fear index is basically a way to measure if people are getting greedy and like overly excited about crypto in general, and that usually sends prices higher. And then we see the crypto greed and fear index drop when people get worried. So, this is going to provide us with a real test of how bad you guys want it, okay? There's going to be some short-term discomfort in crypto in general, and this is one of the reasons why crypto provides amazing returns, because, high risk, high reward. So, it's not great to see your account get whacked, 8 to 10% in a few hours, but I am going to try my best to buy this dip, especially into Bitcoin. Okay, I think you can definitely pick up some of these altcoins as well, but I would think this would probably be the best time to kind of load up more on Bitcoin. Try to really increase your position. When it comes to some of these altcoins, okay, usually what's going to happen is Bitcoin. We need to see Bitcoin recover to really get bullish on some of these altcoins. But some of these altcoins I'm really looking at Litecoin again. Okay, Litecoin around $75. I think it's really attractive at that price. And Solana's taking a really big dip from when it was well over $200, around $130. That's a pretty good entry point. And Ethereum under 3,000 is attractive as well. But some of these other, meme coins and altcoins, I would hold off on these guys until after the halving, okay? Because really, what's going to happen is Bitcoin is probably going to pump into past 100K, and then people are going to take profits and roll those profits into some of these altcoins. But this is one of the reasons, guys, why you don't necessarily try to trade with too much leverage. Okay, I don't trade with any leverage in terms of crypto other than the Bitcoin 2X ETF that I mentioned in some of my videos, the ProShares Bitcoin ETF, ticker symbol BITU. That's like a 2X. So that should be down pretty big when the markets open on Monday. But like I said, a lot of people have been liquidated. Okay, a lot of people that were traded on leverage have really kind of experienced the worst of this situation. Simply trading on leverage is extremely dangerous. So on CoinMarketCap, the greedy fear index is at around 68. Okay, that's well off the highs where it was like around 80 just a few weeks ago when Bitcoin was well over 73K. So like I said, guys, this is really an opportunity to, I think, get in some more, Bitcoin. This is obviously a horrible situation, and I really was hoping that this wouldn't happen, but there's just been so much dissatisfaction around the world lately. I'm not surprised that there has been some more conflicts breaking out. So, like I said, guys, we'll see where this transpires. Like I said, this is breaking news. I'm doing more research and to find out exactly if this is going to escalate even further, or this is like adding more fuel to the fire. It's horrible that Iran's going to get involved in this situation, but this is going to affect a lot of people more so than just the crypto markets as well. So the thing I'm saying is don't panic, okay? We've seen bad things in the crypto markets before, and on stock markets we've had obviously a lot of bad incidents have happened over the past few years. Of course, the pandemic. Okay, we had the FTX collapse. A lot of things have happened, and they've shaken out a lot of the weaker hands, the paper-handed people that really aren't in these assets for the long run. But I will say this, usually, in the short run, things can be tough, but I'm pretty bullish on humanity. I think we'll figure out a way to get past this and hopefully minimize the fatalities and the lives lost in these issues. It's really terrible to see how bad things have gotten, but with the population soaring and resources becoming more scarce and inflation affecting a lot of people, and this seemed like a kettle that was boiling over, and we're going to see potentially more conflicts like this in the future. So just to wrap up this video, in terms of, kind of what's going on in the world, stay safe out there, okay? Might not be a bad time to prep, okay? Stock food, for you guys that live in countries where you can bear arms, might be time to stock up on weapons and water. Yeah, we don't know. Mark Zuckerberg was building $100 million underground bunker. Maybe this is why. So it might be time for you guys to get out there and prep. One of the best ways to prep is obviously to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is something that you can take with you no matter where you go. If you have to escape or travel or do anything, you can take it with you very easily. And all you need is you can store a lot of your money in that very easily. For you guys that aren't into Bitcoin yet, this would be a great time to get into it. If you don't have any way to kind of transport your wealth with you quickly, if you have all of your money in banks, legacy banking system, or stock market, might be the time to get involved in crypto, and also potentially to buy some gold and silver as well. It could become really handy. But we'll see what happens, guys. I just wanted to kind of launch this video. In terms of the halving coming up, like I said, the halving is just a couple of days away. Very excited for that. This was the opportunity to, like I said, buy on this dip. Stick with the larger cap coins now and hold off until we kind of see Bitcoin stabilize, and then maybe it'll be time to buy up some of those alts once they bottom. And I'll let you guys know more. Like I said, be sure to follow me on X and hit smash the subscribe button to get more updates from me on the crypto markets. So that's all I got until now, guys. Till the next video. Stay safe out there.